Hey guys, so in this video I just was gonna go over the basics of splitboarding and how you can see how the splitboard works. When I first was showing interest in splitboarding, I could never wrap my head around the concept of it all. So in this video I'll just show you the basics of this particular setup. You can see I've got my skins drying from the last time I went out. Good idea to take care of all your stuff, but we'll just go through how the splitboard works. So you can see here, currently set up in snowboard mode. I'm goofy foot. Very simple. You just pop up this little lever in the back, slide your bindings off. Kind of have to do it with one hand on the camera. Binding off, front and rear. Okay, you can see these pucks are adjustable. Slide your stance back and forth or adjust your angle, and the binding just slides on a track into those. That's what kind of locks everything together. There's these little catches here. So to turn it into ski mode, I'm just going to flip that up on the front and rear like that, and these pieces literally just pop apart. Okay. Now, because you do have this hardware, typically when you're in ski mode, you're going to flip sides. So your inside edges actually become your outside edges. Okay, so that way when you're skinning on the inside here, you don't have any hardware that's going to smash into each other. And these do spin, so you can flip everything inside, keep everything nice and tight. Your binding now buckles to the outside, so this one's going to be my left foot. It has two little holes. This guy literally just I'm filming that. Yeah, oh yeah, there we go. So that just pops on like that, locks into place. Put that guy down. Now we're in walk mode. So we'll show you how we get the skins on. These are your risers, depending on, if I'm going up a steep angle, I'm going to want the high riser. And there's a low setting too for some more of a gradual climb. That's basics of how this splitboard works. Okay. Walk mode. The reason for this video is I couldn't find a ton of good examples. I saw lots of pictures when I was getting interested in getting a splitboard set up, but I couldn't find any videos that showed me just exactly what all these components did and how they kind of work together. So there we go. Now we're in walk mode. So let's slap the skins on and we'll head outside. Go. My skins, you can see I've got this fabric, whatever, plastic mesh between them. Skin savers so they don't stick together. And action. Or are you already filming?
Take one.
Take two. So I talked a little bit about the skin savers. This material just to keep makes it easier to pull your skins apart. You do want to store them together. It's quite sticky, and you don't want cat hair, dog shit, whatever. Cut. Are you filming?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, and you want to line this up so that you've got it right in the center of your ski, and keep it stretched out. Just a little bit of pressure to get rid of any wrinkles. Okay, come have a look at the back end. This is the hardest part, is just getting this little clip over your tail. Nice and tight. Boom. Skin applied. We'll just do the same on the other side. skinning. Pack these up for when we get up to the top of the trailhead. And cut.
I think he's still filming.
What?
I'm taking my bed.
These are a good all-mountain boot. I like these because with the BOA system, you can leave the front loose, which helps you in your walk mode a little more flexibility.
Yes.
And there's the ones I have, the Jones 32s. Hey, a couple other good ideas for split boarding here. A collapsible pole. I'm 6'2". These go up to, I think, 153 centimeters. They're just long enough. It's the largest size that this brand makes, the long version. And a good backpack. So in here right now I got a drink, a snack, and I've got a shovel and all the skin bags. So when we get up to the top and we strip our skins off, we're going to want to put those skin savers on between them again so they don't get stuck together. Pack everything up and rip it down. Okay, here's just how this collapsible pole works. Just like that. Extend it, make sure everything's together, and then adjust, like I said. Oh, I lied. Oh, 153. 135. 135. Just a little clasp. 135. That's the height of these poles. So I like to skin up with my hands, kind of. I change my positions depending on the slope. These ones are nice because they got a side grip. So if you got one higher than the other, you got a couple different grip positions. Another good thing about this particular brand is just this little hook tool. That helps. I showed you earlier the risers on the binding plate for when you're climbing. You can use that just to reach down and pop that little riser up.